Hello and welcome to Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. Today's video is something slightly different for you guys. So what it is a reversal of a sound system on a Porsche 993. So if you're new to our channel, make sure you press the subscribe button below, and what that'll do is it'll keep you up to date with all our latest videos. So hopefully you enjoy this one. Let's get started. So when this vehicle came into us, we sat down with the customer, we went through this installation step by step. We went through exactly what we're going to be doing, as well as what products to choose and what this customer was after. And that's really key with every single one of our customers. That's what we do. We actually spend the time. It's not just a rush sale. It's basically we go through and get the right system for exactly what you're after. We gave this customer options between this style of look that we've gone for with a Kenwood single DIN radio, as well as the fact retro style radios that we could have used as well. So depending on what you're after, it's not just this solution that we do on this vehicle, we do a complete variety. So one of the couple of key things that this customer was after, and that's why I'm talking you through them, because there's other things that maybe if you own one of these, that you may have these sort of similar concerns or want to have this sort of work done, but not too sure who to choose. So in terms of this system that was already in here, this customer bought this vehicle with a upgraded sound system in it already. What it was running was a factory Becker radio. Then what you've got was a 2-channel amplifier, which was quite badly installed into the front of the boot, and then what you had is an upgraded JL audio speakers in the doors, crossovers mounted into the doors as well, and then the upgraded rear speakers as well. Rear speakers were hidden behind factory locations as they are now, and the upgraded ones had the JL audio grille but the factory tweeter location grille on the front. So that was basically the overall setup. However, this customer, when we purchased the vehicle, every time he looked into that front boot area, he saw this amplifier. It wasn't nicely installed, it wasn't discreet, and it just wasn't what this customer was after. So he decided to do something about it, and that's when he picked up the phone to us, scheduled an audio consultation and bought the car by. We sat down with the customer and went through everything step by step to get to this stage where we have a happy customer. So in terms of this setup, what we've done is basically rewired the audio system. So we've taken out that 2-channel amplifier, reused the existing upgraded speakers that the vehicle had in the vehicle before it came in, and what we've done is just rewired them. So now what we're running and we've upgraded is the radio, which is a Kenwood BT530U on this occasion. However, this is constantly changing, but we can add in loads of different radios as well. If you're after a classic look, we also do solutions for that as well. We've done quite a few 993s now, so if you're interested in something like this, whether it's a 993 or any other Porsche or any other car for that matter, feel free to get in touch and we'll put up our links below. So basically that's gone through running off now a factory radio, so we've bypassed the amplifier, removed all that, removed all the excess wiring, and one of the key things, this is all done to a high standard, as well as inside workshop conditions that are completely heated as well. So we take great care, especially with any classic vehicle or an appreciating classic. Your trim panels may be slightly more brittle than other vehicles like brand new cars that we're generally working on. So that's why whenever we've got a classic car in, what we've got is the ability to have the vehicle positioned in a warm area where the panels aren't brittle, or it reduces that and also makes our install a lot neater and also a lot safer for your vehicle. So that's just basically an overview of what we've done. We've redone all the cabling from head unit to speakers, which is all done via connections cabling. So that's all done, installed behind the scenes, you can't see anything, and we've actually rewired the crossover as well, just because of the way it was installed before. It wasn't up to our installation standards. So if you're interested in something like this, make sure you get in contact with us, but hopefully that's given you a bit more of an overview of what's involved. I hope that you've enjoyed this video on this Porsche 993. If you're after something similar to this, or any installation for that matter, whether it's an upgrade, de-installation, but anything to do with your vehicle and vehicle electrics, feel free to get in touch with us. We'll drop all our links below. Main thing you do is press the subscribe button below, and that will keep you up to date with all our latest videos. Hopefully it's just showing you something a little bit different on installations that we're carrying out day in and day out. So thank you very much guys, and we look forward to upgrading your car soon. Thank you.